Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today we're going to take one of these dollar store cookie pans, glam it up, bling it out, and transform it into a beautiful mirrored tray. To help us out with today's craft project, we will also need some additional materials available from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. The materials include a few square frameless mirror tiles. Dollar Tree sells them in 5 by 5 measurements, but I'll be using these slightly smaller ones I found on Amazon that measure 4 by 4. We will also need two cabinet handles. These ones were purchased from a yard sale many years ago and came to pennies a piece. To give the tray some height, we will be using some small silver Christmas ornament balls as legs. We will need a total of four, one for each corner of the tray. For embellishments, we will be applying this beautiful silver rhinestone ribbon I found on Amazon. I have also chosen these clear, loose, flat back square gems that I bought in bulk from Alibaba. And to make sure everything adheres together, we will need an assortment of glue including some Fix-All, some white glue, and some hot glue. My glue gun is from Amazon. To begin, turn the cookie pan upside down and using some hot glue, adhere a Christmas ornament ball onto each of the four corners to the bottom of the cookie pan. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Next, we are going to apply some of this rhinestone ribbon to the sides of the cookie pan. This ribbon already comes with an adhesive, so no additional glue will be required. You will also notice that when applying the ribbon, it is very flexible and can be bent around the corners of the tray. Next, we are going to lay the mirror tiles onto the cookie tray. For this, we are going to use an assortment of Fix-All and white glue. The Fix-All will ensure a secure, longer lasting hold, while white glue will take less time to cure than the Fix-All. The reason I have chosen to not use hot glue for this is because the hot glue tends to dry way too fast, and I want to make sure that I have enough time to readjust the positioning of the mirror tiles to ensure they are positioned straight and evenly across the tray surface. With the size of this cookie pan and the size of the mirror tiles I used, you will see that there is still some of the cookie pan surface area exposed. So I will fill in those gaps with some smaller mirror tiles and square clear gems. Or if you don't have any smaller mirror tiles and gems on hand, you could actually choose to line the tray with craft paper that has a pretty design before you adhere the mirror tiles on top. This step is completely optional though, if you don't mind the tray being exposed without any embellishments. Next, we are going to embellish the two cabinet handles with the same rhinestone ribbon that we used before. If you don't have any of the rhinestone ribbon on hand, you could opt for any other pretty ribbon or gems you may have on hand. And here is what the two handles look like with the embellishments. To adhere the handles to the tray, I'm applying some Fix-All. But if you are feeling adventurous, you can opt to drill a screw into the handle from the tray.
Huge. I mean,
That
it's
will
big.
most
Makes you
definitely
want to
guarantee
like
a
roll
very
out
secure
faster. And
hold.
I'm like, okay, so what are the things on the checklist for a grown-up bathroom? A separate toilet, a shower, and then two sinks. What happened here? When we pulled off the tub, you can see where they had this cut before. They actually cut our floor joist to put the drain there. No way. And they never joisted it. But it's very common not to fix it after cutting the drain. So what you do is, it's already made up. You add a joist this way on the other side of the plumbing, and then you connect the floor system all together again. Yeah, we have to do that. Okay, so that's the drywall repair. And speaking of drywall, we're gonna close in that window there with frames, right?
Once both handles are secured into place, I decided to go back in with more rhinestone ribbon around the edges of the tray where the pan is still exposed. This step is optional, but if you know me, the more bling the better. The last embellishments I will add are these clear square gems under each of the handles, and that will give the tray the final touch. And remember to use your favorite glass cleaner to remove any fingerprints or marks on the mirrors. And here is the final look for our cookie pan mirrored serving tray. This was so easy to make and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and check out these next videos for more ideas on how to upscale and repurpose your old picture frames.